Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube full screen is not working. So let's get started. Well, here the first thing we're going to do is to make sure that the lock orientation is turned off. And to do that, now swipe down from the right corner. Now swipe left. And as you see here, the lock orientation, it is turned on. Now toggle it off, so that will allow you to watch full video screen. Now go back to YouTube and go to the search icon and type in nature. Here I'm gonna choose a random video, for example this one. Now to view video full screen, here the first way is to tap on the little square icon at the bottom right corner. And like the video is in full screen, or you can just hold your phone vertically and the video will automatically switch to full screen. And that's why we turned off the lock orientation, so you can hold your phone vertically and the video will be on full screen. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.